Look at those cute little kittens fighting.
Used obsolete rifles.
Oh.
Medical supplies kept.
Get him! Get him! Get Mario!
Who's Ario?
Yes, I agreed to sell
That
medical
one.
supplies to Frank Jones. Mostly stale, rejected proprietary drugs and medicines, which were scheduled for the
Doing Coraline.
but which he could have unloaded for a profit. All
Go
the
get
crates
him.
on that ship were supposed to be loaded with medicinal supplies, except for a few on top, which got foreign.
Cat. Hello, kitty. What are you doing? I'm videotaping the cat's life.
Can you please get out of the room? It's a mess.
I didn't say I was gonna upload it. Or anything like that.
Look, we're gonna take Ario. He's been left out.
Where is he? Oh. RBO. What are you doing? Come back! Oh, there's Coraline. It's like, ah! Man, you bet. I said under the chair. Chair. Coraline, what are you doing? What are you trying to catch? There's a little butt. Trying to attack me. What are you doing, Coraline? She's like, ah!
Decided to get even by double crossing Frank.
Whoa!
Your plan was jeopardized.
Jesus Christ, cat! Do you not like being videotaped?
What did you do?
Kitty, Coraline, kitty. No, let her be. Falling off the couch. Come on, smile for the camera. Oh, there's Oreo. You're probably wondering, well, where the heck did Oreo come from? Oreo was that little one's kittens. There's a lot of stuff that happened. Since I haven't recorded video in a while. So we got that one from her. Yeah, you, Coraline. And then we got the other one that's in the room from my dad's friends. Coraline. He's right there. His name's Chowder. He's attacking the... Ah! There. Yeah, I'm videotaping you, kitten. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I know where Coraline is.
She's on your couch. What are you doing?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
There's Oreo. Get on!
She's like, I want to be in the vlog. I love you.
The toothpaste that helps prevent bleeding gums. If you spit blood when you brush your floss.
Yeah, okay, so that was that big grown-up cat. That was Coraline from the video My New Kitten or New Cat, something like that. I honestly don't remember. But those two new kittens, like I was trying to explain just now, was my Coraline's, which is a cat that we had, the kitten that we had, and we decided to keep one of them, and that was after we got the other cat, Chowder, from my dad's friend. He wasn't very playful, until like it was time to go to bed, and he was like fully rested already, so he was up all night, attacking us, because he's a kitten, what else he's gonna do? He's not gonna fall asleep when he wants to. He's not, gonna do stuff like that. So I just wanted to give you guys a little update video. So yeah, bye.